we're back for another episode. Yeah, so we're going to be doing a stairwell this time. We have some bubbling and loose delaminating veneer. Over time, just with the sunlight and plus the season changes and such, it does become delaminated, and it starts to bubble and become loose. I'm just going to teach you two things: the bubbles that are loose veneer, we're going to iron those, heat it up, and then we're going to press it down, and it will reactivate the adhesive below. And if we'll see if we run into a situation where it doesn't want to adhere, and if that case, I'll insert some wood glue and then hot press it in place. And I'll explain all that if we get to that point. And if not, we'll just make an episode just for that. The second thing is, if there's missing veneer, I'm going to teach you how to splice it. Splice a new piece of veneer in, and we're going to try to match the grain, direction, and everything, so make it less obvious. And so we're just going to go up the stringer, and we're just going to show you exactly what we're talking about. I'm going to teach you a little bit on how you can detect loose veneer. So it's actually tapping. Okay, you hear a low, that means it's solid, right? But if you hit high, okay, that's the veneer ricocheting back off of the solid. So we're loose in there. So we're gonna, that's why I got it tagged there, and we're gonna be able to just hot press that, and we will show you how to do that, and then we can press it down with a hard block, and then it will stay. So, and we got some missing veneer here, and typically when you see the loose veneer, not always, but sometimes you'll hear it. So we got a little bit of loose veneer too. Okay, not very much, but there is this immediate area here. So as we go up, so again, another thing is that you'll also feel it rip up. Okay, so we have a little bit slivers. These small little slivers, we'll probably use something like we'll either use veneer, or we'll use a putty of some sort just to fill it in, and then we'll darken it to match this, and then we'll just hit it with a spray bomb of a lacquer. Give it a couple of coats that way, and then it'll seal in the touch-up. So as we go up, it's all the way up here. Now there's none here, but there is a void. So we're going to look after that, and all through these processes, we're going to show you how to do all this. And we also have to make sure we match the sheen that we see with the lacquer as well. And so as we go on, we just take our fingers, and you're most likely going to feel it on the edge. Okay, so there's lots of loose veneer here. There's also missing veneer. So we'll go through all this as well. All right, so I didn't feel too much more up the rest of the stairs, so I'll save you that grief. So we'll come back. When we come back, we're going to take you step by step through all the loose veneer and missing veneer and show you exactly how you do it. Cheers.